Tense. Word tense has taken from Latin language word tempus, which means time and period. Tense has three types: present, past, future. Present tense has four types: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense. Past tense has four types: past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense. Future tense has four types: future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense.